go away, come some other day. Just let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. And if your sweetie sighs, just tell her that a smile will always pay. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry or fret. A smile will bring you sunshine and you'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. Once I met a happy little bluebird. I was just as blue as I could be. In a little while, I began to smile when he sang this merry song to me. Just let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. And if you're sweet, try to tell her that a smile will always pay. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry or fret. A smile will bring you sunshine and you'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. Just remember that a cheerful smile is always bound to win. So never pull the shades down when the sun wants to come in. A smile is just a flicker and it's always silver fine. And if you wear it, you are sure to find all alone know that every little raindrop soon becomes a pearl of joy. And you'll keep going along just like a whistling barefoot boy. So pack up all your troubles in a great big pipe of bubbles and blow, blow, blow them all away. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry or fret. A smile will bring you sunshine and you'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy